your date on Valentine's have been wonderful. Off the record, sources revealed. Ranveer Alabadia is not in touch anymore. Police is unable to reach out him.
Right.
How are you seeing this comment that is being passed? Because you also had a video posted on the same.
That becomes a topic of debate with
Yes.
a lot of गाली गलौज for no reason. So वहाँ पे मैं कह रहा हूँ आप किसी महान से महान, I'm not saying Ranveer is महान. So don't make the girls like the boys. कि जी हमारी वो बोल भी तो रहा था वो जो जिसका शो है वो लड़के का कि समय or Samir, whatever his name is. I don't want to like dignify his presence because I really don't believe in all the work that he does.
कब हुआ था आपको आखिरी बार प्यार?
When I was like 19 and my relationship went on till I was 24 and because that time हमें लगा था कि हमारी तो शादी हो जाएगी, अब उनकी तो शादी भी होगी, उनके बच्चे भी हैं तो या उस दौरान मेरे को थोड़े चस्के पड़ गए थे मॉडलिंग के. She wasn't very okay and then I said you can trust me baby but she's like you can fuck off baby. Instagram यार, Instagram में तो किसको नहीं आते naughty messages. Instagram's like naughty India, like naughty America. You know what I mean?
What is your plan for Holi? What are you gonna do on your Instagram?
है कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग जो मैं बताऊंगा नहीं क्योंकि तुम कॉपी ना कर लो. And especially in today's time, you might as well.
Nobody goes on second date, by the way.
देखा तो मैं कितना लॉयल किस्म का
ये देखो जरा.
Who's the most loyal man? साहिल सरादिया.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with Ase Adi.
Another very fashionable episode that I'm doing with Sahil himself in the talking stage with us. Adi. Welcoming to our office, Sahil.
Thank you. But I think you are the stylish one, not me.
Come on.
Look at the style. Love that.
Today ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. He's been my inspiration. I have been following your work. You are commendable, very fashionable.
Thank you.
कितनी बार देखी आपने फिर कंगना की फैशन फिल्म?
I love Kangna, by the way. I have to say this on camera. I'm not trying to say politically, non-politically, but otherwise, I don't think there's a superior artist than Kangna. I have seen Emergency. अगर आपने नहीं देखी, आपको शर्म आनी चाहिए. Because a film, I don't think it was a propaganda film, to be very honest. They have shown Indira ji in a very beautiful light. अगर आप आखिरी में भी देखेंगे उनकी जो स्पीच है इंदिरा गांधी की जो कंगना ने की है बट वो इंदिरा गांधी ही है फिल्म में बिकॉज शी इज सो ब्रिलियंट. उनको बहुत ही खूबसूरत लाइट में दिखाया गया है. इनफैक्ट बोला भी गया इंदिरा इज इंडिया, इंडिया इज इंदिरा. एंड अगर आपको लगता भी है प्रोपोगेंडा फिल्म या जो भी आपको लगता है एटलीस्ट वॉच गुड आर्ट बिकॉज अगर आप नहीं देखेंगे अच्छी फिल्में सो लहंगा उठाई दे रिमोट से यही चीज़ें चलेंगी और जो चल रही हैं और जो बेकार के कॉमेडी शोज चल रहे हैं ₹2 के वही चलेंगे बिकॉज अगर आप चाहते ही नहीं आपकी कंट्री बेटर करे, आप चाहते ही नहीं है कि अच्छा आर्ट फिल्मों में दिखाया जाए, so that's going to be always a problem. I'm saying when you're watching a film, don't watch it just for the political views or the personal views of an actor or a female actor or a male actor. Watch it for what they've created, is what I'm trying to say.
Because Ranveer Alabadia is not in touch anymore. Police is unable to reach out him. His house of Mumbai is empty. That's what we've got to know from the sources.
Right.
How are you seeing this comment that is being passed? Because you also had a video posted on the same. So what's your take on such comedy where people, under the bedsheets of, okay, it's dark comedy, they go ahead and carry, such things?
So I'm going to be very honest with you. Even the video जो आप बात कर रहे हैं, I'd put it as a story because not on the main feed because I think that becomes a topic of debate with a lot of गाली गलौज for no reason. So I don't want it on my feed, right? Because it's very curated. At least मेरे दिमाग में मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं तो भाई बहुत खूबसूरत चीज़ें डालता हूँ चाहे वो ना भी हो, but मुझे ऐसा लगता है. So in Ranveer's case, I know the boy. He's a wonderful boy. There's nothing wrong with him. But मेरी लाइफ में एक थ्योरी है खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा रंग बदलता है.
Yeah.
अगर आप किसी भी सुअर के साथ लड़ेंगे तो आप पे कीचड़ गिरेगा. रणवीर वेंट ऑन अ शो विच इज लेट्स से कीचड़. अब आप कीचड़ में गए तो आप पे छींटे तो गिरेंगी. सो वहां पे मैं कह रहा हूँ आप किसी महान से महान, आई एम नॉट सेइंग रणवीर इज महान, जस्ट calm yourself down. I'm just saying he's a nice boy. There's nothing wrong with him. He's a hard-working guy. Makes some interesting videos, talks about spirituality. Even let's say he's not spiritual, doesn't matter. But on camera, he's promoting good things, right? That's what matters. What's your public image? At least that's what matters the most. I'm not saying be an asshole in your personal space, but I think जब आप ऐसे show में जाते हैं तो फिर भाई खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजे ने रंग बदला, खरबूजा गायब हो गया बिकॉज पुलिस केस हो गए हैं. Even in the case of Rebel kid Apurva, we did something together recently which is going to be out soon. She's a very nice girl. There is nothing wrong with her. पर अगर आप, अब मैंने जैसे बोला, आप गलती से अब आप पहुंच गई हैं उस शो में, तो आपको कोई आदमी आके गाली दे रहा है. So she was just, what do you say, just getting back to the man, right? उसने गाली दी, मैंने 10 गाली दी क्योंकि मेरा environment वो था. Am I saying women should behave like that? No. But am I saying men should behave like that? 100% no. So don't make the girls like the boys. कि जी हमारी, वो बोल भी तो रहा था वो जो जिसका शो है वो लड़के का कि समय और समीर, whatever his name is. I don't want to like dignify his presence because I really don't believe in all the work that he does or in anything that he does. I feel अगर आप बोलेंगे हमारी छोरियाँ छोरों से कम है के, तो वो ओलंपिक मेडल लेके थोड़ी तू आया है. वो तू गाली दे रहा है तो छोरी ने 10 गाली दिया, तो तेरे को किस बात का घमंड है कि मैं इस देश को मतलब नाला बना के रहूंगा. तुझे इसी बात का घमंड है ना कि अभी अगर 1.2 बिलियन में आप माने 1 बिलियन थोड़े उनको ऊपर उठाना है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू अ वेरी ऑनेस्ट स्टैटिस्टिक्स अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. आप आर्ट में भी देख सकते हैं इंडिया के क्या हालात हैं आजकल. तो आपका ये सपना है कि जब तक मैं 1.2 को ख़त्म नहीं कर दूंगा ना, जब तक तुम सब मतलब प्रो मैक्स गाली गलोच में नहीं होगे, मैं सांस नहीं लूंगा. सो माई प्रॉब्लम इज विद द शो विद द बॉय हु इज द क्रिएटर ऑफ द शो. इट्स नॉट अबाउट द गेस्ट्स हु केम इन. क्योंकि अगर आप किसी अच्छे लोगों के साथ घूमेंगे, आप उनसे चीज़ें पिक करेंगे, राइट? Like today, I love his style, so I'm gonna also be like, wow, I also have to be more stylish now, right? It's just that you get inspired by each other.
Yeah.
It's just that. अगर आप गंदगी के साथ घूमेंगे तो आप गंदगी बनेंगे और क्या बनेंगे?
ठीक है.
Yeah.
Your date on Valentine's have been wonderful. Off the record, the sources revealed himself only.
I'm the source.
So like, how do we ask you on a date? Like, what's the way to take?
I'm not in an official relationship. मैंने तो
Yet.
कुछ बस स्टोरीज डाली थी स्वीट सी, एंड मैंने आपको तो बताया था क्योंकि आपसे मेरी बात हुई थी इसके बारे में कि oh I have a date, so yeah tomorrow maybe later because I knew थोड़ा डेट लेट होगी, थोड़ा नाच गाना होगा. एंड डेट के लिए कैसे यार, जस्ट बी
ऐसे नाच गाना जो कि सुबह 5 बजे तक चला.
यार 6 बजे
Where were you dancing? साहिल सलातिया?
home home party. No, but on a serious note, just say it, yeah. I'm a very nice guy. Just say it कि यार I would like to go on a date with you. I might say yes or no, but
Yes or no? So you also say no?
yeah.
How do you?
What am
reflect-
I, a public service? Of course I say no.
Who do you say no to?
A lot of them.
like what's your way of saying no? What are?
I'm just busy. You know, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रही हैं. घर के बाहर कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है, सड़क नहीं है, मैं घर से कैसे निकलूँ? मैं I come up with the most obnoxious excuses, but I'm very good at.
But then you can get the people at your home, na? If you can't go out.
पर अगर मुझे चाहिए ही नहीं कि ये people मेरे home आए, तो मैं क्यों करूँगा?
हाँ, that is also right.
Yeah. So that way I'm very sure. Yeah. And I just don't like to hurt people. Like I'm not somebody who's ever going to be rude. आप मेरे को बेहुदा से बेहुदा बात भी बोल सकते हो. Unless you go बिल्कुल ही below the belt, then it's different, right?
Below the belt.
बिल्कुल ही below the belt, बिल्कुल ही, आप समझ रहे हैं? But otherwise, I'll just try to be nice and just let it go. Yeah.
किस तरह, कब हुआ था आपको आखिरी बार प्यार?
प्यार तो बहुत बड़ा वर्ड है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई थिंक आज के टाइम में हम बहुत लूजली यूज़ करते हैं. मुझे आई थिंक लाइफ में एक्चुअली प्यार या मे बी व्हेन आई वाज लाइक 19 and my relationship went on till I was 24 and that was like a strong one because that time हमें लगा था कि हमारी तो शादी हो जाएगी. अब उनकी तो शादी भी होगी, उनके बच्चे भी हैं दो. But I don't know. I think love is something you can't just use loosely. I think it's a commitment. It's
Yeah.
something you have to work on. I read it somewhere. I'm not here to give a lecture, but they say you can fall in love with anybody. It's not about that special person, right? It's about anybody who you find special, and then you keep working on that relationship. But आज के टाइम में ऐसा हो गया कि you want to exit very soon. You don't want to work at it, right? Everybody's like, oh, because I believe in self-love. Great, even I believe in self-love, but at the same time,
That is not how.
if you have a partner, if you have a girlfriend, or if you have a boyfriend or husband, wife, whatever your deal is, work on it. Don't just let it go just like that.
क्यों हुआ था आपका ब्रेकअप?
ये वाला तो इसलिए हुआ था because I had started modeling. I was doing my BTech software engineer,
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Very padhaku.
Very padhaku and very intelligent. I wasn't like, I know I don't look very intelligent, but I am. But yeah, उस दौरान मेरे को थोड़े चस्के पड़ गए थे मॉडलिंग के. She wasn't very okay, and then I said, "You can trust me, baby," but she's like, "You can fuck off, baby. It's not gonna work out because, because school and college, that's the time when you really see a life together. आपको लगता है. So कई बार ऐसा होता है ना with women, like they also think that ये इधर उधर मुंह मारेगा. What is the point? Because it has a very bad reputation. Entertainment in general has a bad reputation.
Yes.
When it should not, because people are really nice. Other than a few जो Me Too में फंसे थे, ये वो उनका तो है ही. तो उन ऐसे लोगों से तो आप भाग ही सकते हैं. साजिद खान टाइप लोग. उनको you can. Not everybody is Sajid Khan. You know what I mean? Like there are very very nice filmmakers. They are very nice actors. The girls, I would like to believe, are 90% safe. 10% तो आप अगर बैंक में भी काम कर रहे हैं, आपका शायद बॉस ही is not the right guy. Yeah, Lichado is not the right guy to have around. But so as a woman in 2025, I think you've got to play it smart, I would say.
Yes.
Now I can't give you the tips because as a man, I've never felt that. And I don't know, man. Like.
But how did you escape? Because modeling agencies and industry is full of man trying on man. It's like that. So
Yeah,
how did you escape from that? How did you tackle?
I think the boys love me, but that's because I'm very flamboyant. I have a personality which is very experimental. I'm not the safe guy. You won't see me just in a grey suit. You'll see me having fun, but that's because I'm very inspired by the West. I love Johnny Depp. I love Harry Styles. I love all these guys. I'm not trying to say I'm copying their style, but I like the fact that they have fun. They say you're a very secure man when you're very secure with your masculinity. Now, what is masculinity? You know you have it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to prove it to anybody, right? So at the same time, I feel the boys love me. I love that because that's a major part of my audience. But at the same time, yeah, that's a
He's aware of the fact, yeah.
Yeah, of course I'm very aware. I think the boys.
What do you do with the naughty messages that you get on Instagram then?
So Instagram पे मैं बाद में आता हूँ, but मेरे को जैसे these people who hit on you, like the sleazy kind of people you're talking about, like say coordinator type people. But I've never worked with a coordinator because I was always with a safer agency. Like I don't want to name the agencies, but I was always with top agencies. So it's very professional. It's not problematic. It's not that anybody can come and ask you for stupid favors.
Yeah.
And मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आप मेरी जब तस्वीरें देखें या मेरा काम देखें, that's different. जब आप मुझे in person मिलेंगे, so the vibe is more friendly, but it's not sleazy. It's not that, oh, I'm going to be okay entertaining any kind of requests, right? So I've unfortunately or fortunately been very, very safe. So I don't have any fun stories to tell you. Instagram में तो किसको नहीं आते naughty messages. Instagram's like naughty India, like naughty America. You know what I mean?
Very Rakhi Sawant.
Very right. No, I don't. No, don't.
Okay.
Rakhi.
The comment is very Rakhi, no?
Yeah, no, I love Rakhi. I mean, yeah, but I'm very scared of her. I would never be in a room where she is. No, like Rakhi Sawant is like total no for me because I just think she's iconic, but she's her own kind of iconic. Like I don't think I'm cool enough. Like if she says something stupid to me, I'll get very scared that, oh, my mom, dad, what if they see it and I say something stupid? That's why I don't even do a lot of reality shows because I feel I'm a sensitive guy. And अगर कोई और फन के लिए या TRP के लिए या कुछ भी बोल देगा तो शायद वैसा मैं ना बोल पाऊँ because I'll just be like, oh, what if my mom sees it and she gets upset, like that. I'm that guy. But I love Rakhi. She's a queen of her own kind. And
Not India.
Yeah, not India. I love watching her reels. Like I'm a fan. And abhi recently also I saw a reel where she's become a पता नहीं क्या लिखा था कि लाइफ खराब हो गई है पर हम तो नहीं आग लगी बस्ती में मुन्नी अपनी मस्ती में शी इज डांसिंग सो आई कैन ओनली आई एम अ फैन आई एम जस्ट अ फैन and you were talking about the naughty messages and that's okay man everybody gets it the only problem I have is when people under a woman's photo who are my friends and if I'm with somebody like seriously or even non-seriously it's just out of respect right they'll keep writing show Bob Vagana, Bob. That's problematic. That's what I was saying. Like, you need to fix the boys, not the girls. Now, don't tell the girls to dress a certain way because they're anyway dressing as per the country.
Yeah.
Trust me, all of them are very aware कि यहाँ पे हमें यहाँ पे कितना we can look sexy is not the right word, but aspirational or likable or beautiful. वो भी बेचारी वो घबरा के कि यहाँ जाना है ये रोड से. I'm talking about fancy girls. I'm not talking about you go to office में कपड़े लेके जाओ डिनर के लिए नहीं पर ये रास्ता गंदा है यहाँ पे नहीं तो वहाँ चेंज कर लेंगे.
True.
So this is horrible. So because they are very scared of the comments they get on Instagram, nobody is asking me, Sahil Show Bob. So I'm still, as a man, I'm very privileged. So I can't crib about the naughty messages. Indian men are very, very, very privileged and very patriarchal. Unfortunately, I'm not. I really am not. I've grown up with a sister, and me and my sister have the same rules at home. कोई ऐसा नहीं कि साहिल 4 बजे आएगा पर तुम्हारी बहन को 10 बजे आना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So I come from a very urban family. Values, yes, but urban. Yeah.
How guts, you take to upload such pictures where you dress a certain way, and a lot of people love that. We do love that, of course, but a lot of the other section, of course, comment bad.
Yeah.
So what is that? Guts की दुकान.
Sure, but मैं आपको एक बात बोलूँ, जब आप एक आर्टिस्ट हैं बहुत ज़रूरी है कि लोगों के अलग-अलग ओपिनियन होने चाहिए आपके बारे में. You are not जलेबी और you are not गुलाब जामुन. आप अगर किसी को पसंद है कि मैं किस तरह से बात करता हूँ या क्या कपड़े पहनता हूँ या क्या पोर्ट्रे करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, very nice. They are my tribe and I am a part of their tribe.
Yeah.
Right? Like we are one community of people who have similar aesthetics. पर अगर कोई ऐसा है जो बोलता है कि ये नहीं सही है तो नहीं सही है. Till the time I'm not harming you, it's okay. Right? Till the time you are not harming me, that's okay. And I think when you're an actor or an artist, it's very important to somehow, I don't know what could be your method, but not take everything so seriously. इसने मेरे को ऐसे बोला. I know it hurts, it can, but you've got to have a thicker skin, yeah. Like अगर 2 लोग गाली दे रहे, it's okay because there are 20 people who really like you.
Because recently I remember somebody commented on my video stating that Adi, your clothes only suits you. Because I'm taking it as a compliment because of
100%, 100%. You should take it as a huge compliment because that's your authentic style and you are pulling it off. But I'm sure you're inspiring also some people along the way. It could suit them, not suit them, that's different. That's a personal opinion. But I feel if you're authentic with your style, with how you are, it's great.
What's up with your projects? I know we want to see you more as an actor as well. You've done such wonderful projects pehle bhi.
Yeah.
But what's coming in? What's in your bucket list?
I have finished something for one of these leading platforms.
Netflix it is.
No, it's the other one. But other one मैं बोल नहीं सकता. But आएगा भी. I think we are going to come out in May or June. It's going to be quite exciting, quite fun for people. And yeah, it'll be nice.
Very naughty, very sexy. Is it? Very naughty, very sexy?
No, I've hardly done naughty, sexy work. Like, to be honest, like, all the work that I have done has been very serious, even if it's POW that Nikhil Advani made, Nikhil sir, or it's Everest, that was my first that Ashutosh Gowarikar made, or it's Panipat, or it could be Adhura, which just came on Amazon. None of them were like sexy roles. Some of them had a lot of homework I had to do. Unfortunately, I wholeheartedly believe that none of my previous pieces of work on screen made that magic like Mirzapur. And it's not my fault. It's not that the whole project was on my head. But none of them became like cult. So for every actor who's hardworking and trained, you will have a cult show which will come, if not today, tomorrow. Not tomorrow, day after. But it will happen. So you have to keep doing good work.
ठीक है. क्योंकि the industry is also changing. Look at Sanam Teri Kasam. Did you watch it in the theater?
No, but I've heard it's like made like what 50 crores or something.
Yeah,
which is great. I think I will watch it now. Sanam Teri Kasam.
And it was a flop.
Back then. Yeah, 9 साल पहले flop.
Yes.
Yeah. But I don't think Panipat release कर सकते हैं फिर से. I think वो आप देख लो Netflix पे. Yeah. But Sanam Teri Kasam I'll watch.
हाँ.
Yeah.
How are you seeing these films जो अभी release हो रही हैं? Love Yapa is there. Do you go in theaters and watch the films? Of course, you get a lot of screening.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, but अगर screening पे नहीं भी मैं जाऊँ, I would love to watch Chhawa. जो विक्की को आपने देख लिया?
हाँ जी, I've seen that.
Good, yeah.
It's a good film.
Yeah, I would like to watch that. I like period films. I like films that are true to their history. And last मैंने कोई Love Yapa वापा नहीं देखी मैंने. उसके अलावा recently I saw Emergency. Love Yapa I haven't seen. I wasn't very excited.
Padmavat is also there in the
Love
theater.
Yapa you've seen?
I have.
It's nice.
It's a good film.
It's a good film. I don't know. I felt Love Yapa was made for the family and friends.
True that.
Yeah, but I think it's not made. Some people are liking it, so I'm sure they had the audience in mind.
ठीक है. क्योंकि Holi is also coming, you know. What is your plan for Holi? What are you gonna do on your Instagram? Because we always see you do something special on your Insta.
है कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग जो मैं बताऊंगा नहीं क्योंकि तुम कॉपी ना कर लो. No, but yeah, I'll do something fun.
People have also started calling you male Urfi Javed.
Oh no way!
How gonna you
No
take that?
way. No, I know. I would love to take it as a compliment, but I wouldn't because I think that way you are reducing her beauty. Like I said, I'm a very privileged guy because I'm a guy.
Yeah.
She is a woman who's worked very, very hard. From day one, all I have done is worn top designers. But it's my aesthetics that I would pull them, place them together, flana dinka, make it look interesting, and people would say, oh, he's very stylish, etc., etc. I have never created something from scratch, you know, like she would wear.
Now that has become very electronic also for her.
Yeah, man, like she
very
makes.
tech.
Yeah, she makes things made of I don't know SIM cards.
Yeah.
Or like I don't know. She's very very iconic in her own sense, and I don't think the two of us can be compared. Firstly, because I really am an actor. I'm a trained actor.
Yes, true that.
Secondly, fashion is just a subdivision of me. It's not like my main thing. And thirdly, I don't think I'm as talented as her to be called that. That's like taking her beauty away. I think she's doing extremely well in her own space. I have my own space that I'm very proud of, and I think my space is more niche. It's more. It's not like. It's like not like how Nancy Tyagi is, right? Like she
Yes.
created a ruckus last year at Cannes. Now tomorrow you can't say that. Oh, Sahil Salathia, Nancy Tyagi. No, because firstly she's a woman from a small town who's unfortunately not very camera friendly. So she must have gained so much confidence to be on that red carpet to make that outfit. So she's an icon. I'm just having fun. Yeah.
Okay. Kyunki, you know, it's difficult to have the confidence all the day, and there are
Yeah.
days when you feel low. You know, maybe the times when we, you know, feel that okay, the things are not working as we wanted,
Yeah.
as we expected. So
Yeah.
how do you tackle those days? When did you cry last time? Don't tell me last night.
मैं रोता नहीं हूँ, रुलाता हूँ. I'm that guy.
Very
no,
North
यार, मैं
India
रोता होता
comment
नहीं
it
हूँ. No, मैं रोता होता नहीं हूँ. मैं अंदर रोता हूँ. मतलब दिल में. And I'm not. मेरे को ऐसे आंसू नहीं आते. मेरे को शो पे भी मतलब even on screen I have to put glycerin and all. Like I can't cry. Like I can emote. I can make it look like I'm crying, but I'm not gonna be like. Because like I said, I've always been a very happy, privileged, not like a star kid privilege, but like from a very happy family, touch wood, with lots of value. So, so fortunately, by God's grace, I haven't seen those. Like I don't have a story like a lot of actors ki main station pe soya, rail patri pe soya. I have never done that. Now I don't know how many of them are lying, but I am not lying. I have not slept there. Like I've just trained on my craft. I get typecasted a lot कि ये परफ्यूम बड़ा लगाता है या सर्टन किस्म की एक चीज़. मैंने कमेंट सुने हैं एक्चुअली कि एक कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर ने मुझे बोला था कि आप थोड़ी गाली गलौज बीच में डालो, यू विल बिकम मोर रिलेटेबल. यू नो जब आप इसको सो यू डोंट लुक टू फैंसी. इंडिया है रिलेटेबल एंड स्पेशली इंडियन लड़का. ज़्यादा अंग्रेजी मत बोलो, बट मेरी अंग्रेजी अगर ठीक ठाक है, मेरी हिंदी उससे बेहतर है क्योंकि मैंने केंद्रीय विद्यालय में पढ़ाई करी है. सो आई स्टडीड इन अ हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल, राइट. सो उसके बाद जब मैं व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप लाइक अर्ली 2000s टाइप, जब होता है ना कॉलेज टाइप चीज़ें आप कर रहे हैं स्कूल, उस समय it was the time of शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, ये सब तो of course they are icons, they'll always be there. But that was a time when Kal Ho Na Ho, Salam Namaste, all these films were happening. So all the actors were very aspirational.
Yeah.
The guys didn't say, can I abuse in Hindi? No, I don't want to. But I mean, the guys didn't speak like that on camera or off camera. You wanted to be like Saif Ali Khan.
Yes.
You wanted to speak like him. You wanted to have the charm of Shah Rukh Khan. Now
Yes.
the new crop of actors, it's like थोड़ा गाली दे दो, थोड़ा इधर उधर कर दो. फैशन में तो बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं होना चाहिए बिकॉज उससे लगेगा कि आपने तो पृथ्वी थिएटर में शोज ही नहीं किए हैं. इट्स ऑल नॉनसेंस. प्रियंका चोपड़ा हैज़ नेवर गॉन टू एक्टिंग स्कूल. आई हैव. आई एम नॉट सेइंग डोंट गो टू एक्टिंग स्कूल. शी इज़ अ वेरी वेरी स्टनिंग लुकिंग वुमन. But she's an incredible actor.
As
In
well,
Bajirao Mastani, for me, it was not about Mastani. It was about Kashi Bai. because of Priyanka Chopra's acting skill set. So don't let people change your personality, be authentic. तो मैं अभी भी गाली गलौज नहीं करता हूँ unnecessarily. मैं ऐसा नहीं कि थोड़ा माँ बहन को गाली दे दो तो लगेगा वाह क्या अल्फा मर्द है, अब इससे कराएंगे ये रोल, इसको लेंगे गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर में. नो, इफ यू गिव मी दैट फिल्म आई विल स्टिल ट्रांसफॉर्म. बट इन
So
माय
because of looks, also getting a lot of rejections.
To be
Because
honest,
you're
no.
very Hollywood. I can't
No,
say that. I can't
not
deny
Hollywood, but I just think not at all. But I would just think that not even rejections, like whatever comes to me, I see if it works out for me, great, I do it. I won't say rejection because I've never approached a lot of filmmakers saying, I can do this role. Because it's about access also, right? And it's not a sob story. I'm doing very, very well. I'm very happy. God's been very kind. But I'm just saying, whatever comes to me, I do it to the best of my ability. And this whole Hollywood, Bollywood nonsense is rubbish because I feel in Hollywood also, if you see the Indian actors who are working, like are not essentially white-looking men. They're very like you know how we are.
Yeah.
तो आप कहीं पे भी fit हो सकते हैं, वो तो आपके सितारों पे है. Like I said, आपका कौन सा शो या कौन सी फिल्म कल्ट बनेगी, वो उस पे डिपेंड करता है. और बाकी there's nothing. All I'm saying is don't change your authentic personality, right? Like how if you like wearing this, which is stunning, you have to wear this because that's when people will see that wow, he's so authentic. I wish I could be like him, or wow, he's looking great. That's what you want in life, right? You want people to see your authenticity, appreciate it. If it inspires them along the way, great. If it doesn't inspire them, great. But at least you have done an authentic job.
ठीक है. To all the people last time taking, because you know they wanna maybe get into acting and wanna know how they can become a good model at the same time. So what is your guidance to all the youngsters out there and budding people who are watching you?
Yeah,
taking the
I
inspiration?
know, but they always say कि पहले एक professional degree रखो या एक
Yeah,
engineer
the
या
backup.
हाँ कुछ. I'm saying trash. No, anybody who makes it really big in life, you by 16, 17, you should know what you want to do in life.
True.
If you think acting is your calling, and ask around, like if you're not cut out for it, let your parents tell you the truth. But start working on it. Start doing professional acting school for frickin' 4 years if you can afford it. If you can't afford it, go on YouTube. There are enough videos. I'm saying work on that so that you don't miss out on those years. Because आज के टाइम में बीटेक डिग्री से कुछ नहीं होता है. सब अनएम्प्लॉयड बैठे हुए हैं. आज के टाइम में अगर आपका कोई स्पेशल टैलेंट है वही आपको कहीं लेके जा सकता है. I'm just being very very honest with you. So first थिंग इज़ रबिश कि आप प्रोफेशनल डिग्री लीजिए. आई थिंक कुछ बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिन्होंने वैसे भी स्कूल में मैंने जो बायो एंड सिविक सेंस, तो चलो अच्छी बात है, बायो केमिस्ट्री मैंने आज तक कोई केम लैब में कुछ नहीं बनाया. मुझे टैक्सेस के बारे में सिखा देते तो मैं अपने सीए का कम सर खाता. मुझे गाड़ी फिक्स करना सिखा देते तो मेरे को थोड़ा ज़्यादा नॉलेज होती है. आई थिंक अपने बेसिक्स लाइफ में आप क्लियर रखिए. अपना स्पेशल टैलेंट अगर है, वर्क ऑन दैट. एंड सेकेंडली डोंट बी बिटर. Because I think I had become a very bitter man after Panipat. Because I felt that the film tanked. I was playing Shamsher Bahadur. I had a great role. I wasn't out there in the promotions because Arjun Kapoor was. He's wonderful. I love Arjun. But he was the protagonist. He was the face of the film. And unke alawa, we had so many other great actors, yeah? Like, Hum Saath Saath Hai mein kaun the, yaar? The one who had his hand like...
Yeah, I don't know.
Nutan Ji's son.
Yes.
No, Nutan Ji's son is Sanjay Dutt, right? No. Yeah, we might have to edit it. But anyway, Munish Bahal. I love him. Munish Bahal was there. Nawab Shah was there. So many actors were there.
Yeah.
So abhi promotions mein I wasn't seen so much. I had my poster. I had my little moments when that film happened. When the film tanked, I was like, fuck. Because I'm from Jammu, I'm not like, I don't have like filmy connections. I'm over, right? Like it's completely done. And then COVID happened. So I became very bitter. I was like, तू तेरे माँ बाप ही है, तू तो मेरे से बात नहीं करेगा. तू तो स्टार किड है, तेरे मुंह नहीं लगना चाहिए, इसके बारे में लिखो कुछ. But I feel the moment you don't become bitter and you start counting your blessings, the amount of love I get from people just for wearing a shirt, it's nonsense.
Yeah.
It's just God being kind because I have become a better man. It's literally that. Otherwise, there are so many boys who dress even better. There are so many boys who speak even better. It's just that when you become a very happy, positive man, automatically
it reflects.
Yeah, man. And it starts showing. People start giving you more love and you're like, really? Itna to kuch nahi hai. You know what I'm saying? So I think it's that. That's another tip. Don't be bitter. If you're coming from a small town, work on yourself. Then don't compete with स्ट्रेट अप की मैं जाके वरुण धवन को बताऊंगा, ऐसे नहीं होता है। ये हर एक की जर्नी अलग लेवल पे शुरू हुई है। आप अगर कोई यहाँ से शुरू कर रहा है,
He's so dramatic.
आई एम वेरी ड्रामेटिक। आपकी किसी की जर्नी यहाँ से शुरू हुई है, आपकी यहाँ से शुरू हुई है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू सी योर ग्रोथ कि आपको किस लेवल पे प्यार मिल रहा है, आपके बारे में लोग क्या सोचते हैं, दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट। या
Sahil, what's your plan for Shadi?
Oh!
Last time taking, I wanna, that's my favorite question to ask. What is your love life? What is your Shadi when you're doing kids?
So I was married before. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
For 4 years, I have a child, 2-year-old. Yeah, but I don't know where he is. I am not interested. No, it's a joke. I've never been married.
My God.
I'm
he
a
made
child.
me.
मैं अभी क्यों करूँगा शादी? अभी तो मैं baby हूँ. I'm just a baby. I will not get married.
Still no. What
कर
is
लूँगा
it?
यार 5-6 साल में. कर लूँगा. इतनी क्या जल्दी है शादी की? But कर लूँगा.
But you don't have
But I believe in it.
Okay.
I'm a supporter of it. I
But you haven't got any girl like with who you-
girlfriend.
Yeah, जिसके साथ आप शादी के ख्वाब बुन सकें.
ख्वाब बुने हो, ख्वाब तो नहीं बुने हैं अभी, पर बुन लेंगे। ख्वाबों का क्या है? ख्वाब तो कभी भी बुने जा सकते हैं। No?
Yeah.
But of course I believe in marriage.
How your last date gonna be lasting? Like how long?
The शादी?
No. The last date you've been into.
Yeah.
ये कितने लंबे चलने वाले हैं?
The last date I was into. Oh, that was last night.
Only done and dusted.
I mean, second time we met. Like, but I asked her out for a Valentine's date. I said, shall we do this? And she was like, so it was very sweet. Like, it's not that we are in college. And then we actually there like rose petals on the table and all. So I think I did impress her a lot, clearly. Yeah. But then we'll see where it goes. I don't take these things very seriously. Yeah. I think जब भी आप अगर you have to make it happen organically. You can't be very pushy. किसी भी तरफ से, like from my side or from her side, you have to be organic. And especially in today's time, you might as well.
Nobody goes on second date, by the way.
देखा तो मैं कितना loyal किस्म का
ये
आदमी
देखो
हूँ।
जरा।
Who's the most loyal man?
एहसान फरामोश, एहसान फरामोश।
Yeah.
दूसरी डेट पे चले गए तो I am the loyal one.
Yeah, most loyal I said. Yeah. But I am loyal. If
How
I'm
did you think of going to the second date? Like, there are times when you like, अच्छा इसके साथ तो दोबारा मिलना ही नहीं है, and okay चलो I can meet her.
So technically not the second date, the first date, because उससे पहले मैं मिला हूँ उनसे social setting में. So I asked her out very formally that hey, are you free on Valentine's Day? I was thinking we should go get some dinner. She's like, you're so sweet. Yes, I would love to. What are we doing after? Then we had a whole plan. Yeah. Yeah. What is so unbelievable यार? ये इंडिया में भी जाते हैं लोग डेट्स पे. Yeah.
Good for you.
Good for me.
But कैसी शादी चाहते हैं? If
Simple.
हाँ.
मेरी शादी में मेरे माँ बाप के अलावा कोई नहीं आएगा, और अगर मेरा कोई बच्चा हुआ तब तक तो मेरा बच्चा आएगा मेरी शादी में, और कोई नहीं आएगा. और jokes apart, only my family, her family, very मंदिर type शादी. I don't believe in big weddings because I feel wastage of money. आपने पूरी ज़िंदगी इतना पैसा के पीछे भागे हो, एंड वो आप उड़ा दो एक रात में, 2 रातों में. उससे better I believe in traveling. Just the two of you should just fucking travel the world, go wherever you want to go. If you want to buy a bigger car, buy a bigger car, bigger as in whatever, the nicer car or whatever your deal is, man, whatever you like, do that.
ठीक है. Last, because we've been talking, I guess, Earth, Moon, Sun, everything we've talked about. 3 tips of your beauty that you'll be giving to people. Your like skippable routine.
Beauty and the beast. I'm the beast, you are the beauty. You should be giving them the tips.
I don't have.
I'm the beast. मैं क्या beauty tips दूंगा?
What is the skincare routine?
On a very serious note, now मुझे लगता है मेरे को जूते पड़ेंगे इसके बाद इस
That you
podcast
don't
बाद
do
आप
any.
सबसे. But I'm from Jammu. So
I am living here. He doesn't have any skincare routine. He's from Jammu. I don't think so. He requires something.
So honestly, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, जब आप when you've grown up in Jammu and Kashmir, I think and genetically my parents are very beautiful, simple people, but they are both stunning in their own right. I think मैं आपको एक साबुन बताता हूँ. When I had a lot of acne when I was in college, I went for these peels. Skin peels, ये सब हरकतों का शौक मेरे को था ही हमेशा से. So I got the peels and my skin cleared out. Then they recommended a soap called Acne Aid. लिख लो, Acne Aid, that's the soap I use. It's literally a sabun. I work out at this club here, and वहाँ पे जब मैं when I'm just changing or whatever, and I'm using a soap, मेरे को सब बोलते हैं आप साबुन यूज़ करते हो, आपको ये face wash यूज़ करना चाहिए ये, but I literally feel that soap works the best for me. It's a 100 rupee soap. It's called Acne Aid. You can get it at any chemist. Other than that, I really do drink a lot of water, but that's not for skin. That really is because I
For the gut health, yeah.
yeah, and plus I take supplements, not steroids. And I don't say injection lagata hai, but like some like nitric oxide, for example, or I'll take like protein powders. I think it's like you said, gut
Yeah.
health. You've got to have a lot of water, otherwise you feel bloated. I feel very bloated. Uske alawa, I won't say be happy it shows. No, I would say sleep maybe. I love sleeping. By myself also is great. And I would sleep 8 hours. Yeah. So these 3 things.
Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you, Sahir. I hope you enjoyed the conversation.
Loved it. Loved it. Thank you. Thank you for having me.